Hi and welcome to Telavox Academy. In this video, I will show you how Telavox integrates with Salesforce. I will also show you how to download the application. The application is a CTI integration and the whole installation process is very easy. You simply go to the Salesforce App Exchange, and since Telavox is a certified app inside of Salesforce, just click the download button and there you go. So what does it do? Well, instead of using two applications, one soft phone and also Salesforce, we combine them so you get the whole Telavox experience, colleagues and queues and so on, but inside of Salesforce. So if you're an agent sitting in Salesforce, you will still be connected to your friends and colleagues who's not sitting in Salesforce. But we also add some additional value. For example, if we get a hit or a match on the phone number for an inbound caller, we will also provide some additional information about that inbound caller. For example, if there is any calls, if there is any cases, we will provide that information even before the agent have answered the call. Of course, we can do automatic customer pop-up if you want that, but it's up to the agent how they want to treat their calls. We can also provide you with call to links inside of Salesforce. So just simply click on the call button on a contact card and there you go. We will automatically pop the soft phone inside of Salesforce. We can also save time for the agent by adding additional values like automatic call logging, and if you've added the feature call recording, we can also provide you with the automatic call recording inside of Salesforce. Wrap-up times, when you answer the call and logging in and logging out of queues, those are like standard features from Telavox, but you will be able to access it from inside the widget or inside the CTI integration. So basically, two apps becomes one. No need to sit in a soft phone, and in Salesforce, we combine the two systems. So the agent never have to leave Salesforce. So how do you download and how do you access this CTI integration? Well, if you go to Telavox Home, you press the additional services for an agent and then add the add-on called CRM integration. Like I said, you find it in Telavox Home, go to additional services and then CRM integration. It's the same add-on for all our integrations with both CRM and ticketing systems. From a Salesforce perspective, we support what is called the Lightning experience. And if you want further information on how to download and how to use the integration, just go to the telavox.com webpage, click on integrations, and then just click on Salesforce. From there, you'll find some additional information about what the integration does, some screenshots, and so on. Also some key benefits, key features, and so on. Like I said, from a Telavox perspective, you need the add-on called CRM integration. We support the Lightning experience, not the classic mode. Then you just need a license from Salesforce. If you have the right requirements, you can click on the link on Salesforce App Exchange. And like I said, the big thing is that we are a certified app, so the whole installation process is very standardized. Just press get it now, and then there you go. You will have it downloaded inside your Salesforce app. So what does it look like? Well, if you've downloaded the application, like I said, with just clicking the download button, the CTI integration or the widget will end up here in the left corner. So from here, you will access all your colleagues. You will see your friends. You can call them from here. You have a message tab if you want to write some messages and also some group messages. And also, you will be able to log in and log out of queues. Very easy. From here, when I'm available, I will be automatically logged into some queues. and I will show you how it looks like when we receive an inbound caller. From the History tab, we also provide you with some additional features. For example, if you don't have automatic call recording or call logging, you can simply press the contact, and from here you can create the contact, create an account, or create a lead. So we have creation links from the History tab inside of the softphone inside of Salesforce. If you go to the Settings tab, make sure you've added the Receive Incoming Calls. This way you will be able to receive calls for the inbound caller inside of Salesforce. We also have some additional Salesforce settings. For example, if you want the automatic customer pop-up, make sure you click that. If you want automatic call logging, just make sure you press that. And you can also hide the app when clicking on a link, and then we will make sure that the Telavox app disappears, so you will have more screen face, so to speak. So what does it look like for an inbound caller? So in this case, we're using the Sales Console, but we also support the Support Console and so on. So in this case, I'm going to actually call through a queue, and we will see what happens. So now a customer will call me. I'm sitting inside of Salesforce, and we will see what happens with that call. And there we go. We can see the inbound caller, and you can see the automatic customer pop-up. It already pops. And then I'm going to go ahead and answer. So what now happens is that I got a match on the number. We could see that Carl Testmark is calling. He was calling through the economy queue. So you can also see that information from here. This is actually an additional URL pop-up if you want to add that. We can see that there are some history on this Carl Testmark. So I can go to the customer card, or I can click to a case, for example, inside the widget. I will then end up in that case. If I don't find a relevant case or call information inside the widget, I can create a new case or a new call log. So just press case, and then you will be able to create the case. So it's a short path to the creation link to new case. If I want to transfer this call, just press the transfer button, and I can transfer it back to a group of people, or I can transfer it back to a colleague. So you can see that here that Miss Tulipan, she is available. If somebody would be red or gray, it means that they're busy on a call, or if they're maybe on a meeting or so on. So if I click Miss Tulipan, I can transfer the call. I can transfer it blind. Then I will talk to Miss Tulipan. Well, actually, I won't talk to Miss Tulipan. I will just transfer it blindly, and Miss Tulipan will see that it's calling. If I transfer it attended, I will be able to talk to Miss Tulipan before I transfer the call. In this case, I'm not going to transfer the call. I'm just going to hang up. Like I said, what we also do is that we provide you with dial to add-ons. So if I press here, I can make outbound calls from inside of Salesforce. So this was some of the key benefits and key features inside of Salesforce. I hope you enjoyed the video, and talk to you soon.